Hey guys, welcome back to Over the Table's Random Reviews. I'm Joey, and what we've got today is a self-defense baton telescoping for $7 on eBay. I'll pop the link down in the description. Go ahead and click that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up. Let's get started. Now what we've got here is a package that has got some hefty weight to it, and you can hear what sounds like a self-defense baton. So let's open this bad boy up. And what do we got? So it comes with a little very cheap looking belt sheath. Then that's how cheap it is. It barely tugged on it and it already broke off. I could probably tape that back on though, there's no worries. That's not the thing that we need to be high quality. This right here, the self-defense baton. Wow. So it extends out. This thing's got some heft to it. It doesn't sit completely. I mean, as you can see, it does tend to move around. Ooh. So it's not moving around anymore. So once you get it out there, wow. It's a good length. It's definitely made of metal. Very hard metal, it seems. The top looks like this. It's got a little knob at the top. The handle's got, you know, a little bit of crossing going on there for extra grip on the hand. What seems to be some sort of screw cap. I was not aware it had something like this. I don't know what this is. I have no idea. I was thinking maybe it does something at the top. I mean, it's these little metal prongs here at the top. I have no idea. The actual baton here is hollow on the inside. If you know what this thing does, go ahead and pop the comment down and let me know, because I really have no idea what it does. You've got a little band here that's probably supposed to go around your wrist, but as you can see, it doesn't fit around my wrist at least. So this right here is your self-defense baton. So this is a fairly nice product, it seems here, but the only way to test a baton is to really go out and whack some things and see how durable it is. So let's go ahead and take this out and hit some stuff. Alright guys, so I got the baton right here. And we're going to see how it fares against this water bottle to test its power. Now that's obviously a pretty strong water bottle. We're going to give it one more real good attempt, and we're going to see if this thing can do some damage to this water bottle. Not broken or anything, but it definitely popped the cap right off of there. It definitely dented it. So what happened is the water bottle ended up there and the cap flew all the way up in the air and ended up in the water. Now to make this thing smaller again, you could try to use your hand and close it up, but sometimes it'll be a little too difficult for you. So what you gotta do is you gotta get a hard surface like the bottom here and just go down, presses it right in. Oh, I figured out what that back thing was for. 'Cause now it's locked into place. Oh man. You unscrew this, aha, and then it unlocks it. Oh my god. What happens is this bottom piece here, right there, comes back and clips into this here, which locks it in place. It's kind of like a safety feature. So you go out and you're out and ready to hit stuff and everything, And when you're ready to close it up, if you push it all the way through, you're locked up and it's not going to come out, which is a very nice little feature. No matter how much force I give it, it does not want to come out once you push it in. And that's where you have to unscrew it, pop it out, screw it back on, and you're ready to go. Alright guys, so this baton turned out to be a fairly decent product. And you know, it's made of a pretty high quality metal. It's definitely strong. I mean, I pounded the heck out of that water bottle. The sheath could be made out of a better material. It's very cheap feeling. I mean, the back strap on it already kind of came apart. But the actual product, very nice. I love the safety feature. I didn't know what it was at first. I could definitely see this being something you keep around in your car or on your person as a self-defense baton. It's on eBay for $7, which I think is a great price for something that could defend you. Hope you guys have a great day. Don't get shot.